SAP HANA Data Types are crucial for defining how data is stored, processed, and managed. They impact memory usage, space occupation, and system performance during calculations and queries. Understanding these types is essential for developers, modelers, and database administrators to optimize data storage and processing in SAP HANA environments. SAP HANA categorizes data types into numeric, character, and date-time types, with additional support for binary and special types for large objects and spatial data. Mastery of these categories is crucial for efficient data management, impacting memory usage and system performance. This understanding is foundational for developers, modelers, and database administrators. Numeric data types in SAP HANA include integers and decimals, each serving specific purposes. Integer types like TININT and BIGINT differ in size and range, while decimal and numeric types are crucial for precise financial calculations. Choosing the right numeric type impacts system performance and data accuracy. String data types in SAP HANA store text, with VARCHAR for ASCII and NVARCHAR for Unicode, ideal for multilingual applications. Text handles very long strings, like documents. Choosing the right type impacts memory usage and performance, making NVARCHAR a best practice for global data support. Date and time data types are crucial for managing temporal values in transactions. Date stores calendar dates, time captures time of day, and timestamp provides high precision for both date and time, essential for versioning and audit trails. These types ensure accurate temporal data handling in SAP HANA. Binary data types in SAP HANA store raw data like images or encrypted content. Binary large object and character. Large object are crucial for managing large text or binary objects, essential in unstructured data scenarios. These types ensure efficient handling of non-traditional data, complementing structured data management and enhancing system versatility. Choosing the right data type in SAP HANA is crucial for performance and memory efficiency. Over-allocating, like using VARCHAR 5000 unnecessarily, leads to inefficiency. Define data types narrowly to optimize performance. This ensures efficient memory usage and enhances system performance, crucial for developers, modelers, and database administrators. SAP HANA's columnar architecture thrives on optimal data type selection. Integer and date types compress efficiently, unlike large text fields. This optimization leads to efficient data models and accelerates query performance, crucial for developers and database administrators aiming to enhance system efficiency. Understanding SAP HANA data types is crucial for efficient table design and query optimization, enhancing system performance. Mastery of these types is essential for SAP HANA professionals, ensuring robust and scalable solutions. This concludes our comprehensive guide on SAP HANA data types, empowering developers, modelers, and database administrators to optimize their systems effectively.